Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to embed a PDF file in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account on Squarespace. Click on this website button below the website you want to embed a PDF file in. Go to Pages. From this list, select the page you want to add a PDF file in. Let's add it on this About page, for example. Click on this Edit button from the top. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Make sure to select a section first in order to get this add block button. Click on it and search for embed. This is my embed block. I can resize it just like that. I will place it here. Now go to googledrive.com, sign in to your Google account and click on this new button and select file upload. Locate your PDF file on your computer, double click it, and it will start uploading to Google Drive. Now that the PDF file upload is completed to Google Drive, just refresh your browser to get access to your file. This is my uploaded file. Double click it to open it just like that. Click on these three dots from this corner and click on open in new window. If you don't see this opening in a new window option, just close this file like that and open it again and click and wait a second, it will show up. Click on open in new window, then click on these three dots again and select embed item. Copy this HTML code just like that. Head back again to Squarespace website, click on this embed block, then this little pen, go to code snippet, click on embed data and paste your code here. Click on back, close this window. Now click on this save button from this corner, then exit this editing mode and visit the preview mode. And this is how to embed a PDF file in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.